Treat your party guests to this spicy puff puff made with liquid yogurt. They will love it. Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greyglamma. Today I am going to show you how to make party puff puff. It is going to be spicy, it is going to be rich, tasteful, and yummy. You will love it and your guests will love it as well. I'll leave the ingredients in the description box. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, share the video, comment on the video, and subscribe if you have not. I am just going to go ahead and sieve the dry ingredients. That is the all-purpose flour, the baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together and then add sugar according to taste. If you are going to do it exactly the way I'm going to do it, don't add much sugar because the liquid yogurt has its own sugar. Then add 1 teaspoon of chili pepper to give it that spicy taste. You will love it. After mixing the dry ingredients, make a hole, a space in the middle, and then pour in the liquid yogurt. I am using liquid yogurt in place of water, of ordinary water. I urge you, I beg you to try out the recipe at home. You will love it. Try it also for your party puff puff. Your guests will love it. Mix the flour and the ingredients until you have this consistency. Not too watery, not too thick. You will notice that I did not add yeast to this mixture. It is not necessary. It is not necessary at all. Just add baking powder and you will get the same consistency and it comes out healthier. When you have this consistency, just put it by the side for 2 to 5 minutes and then heat up oil in a deep pan or pot. When the oil is heated up, add slices of onions into the oil to give it that taste, that flavor. Then start scooping the dough into the oil in small quantities. Make sure that you are frying this on medium heat, not too hot, not too cold. When you have scooped all the dough into the oil, then you start turning the balls, the puff puff balls. We call it puff puff, puff puff. But then, when you want to write it, you write it as puff puff, P-U-F-F, and then P-U-F-F. That is puff puff, Nigerian puff puff. Just try it at home, you will love it. And I made this for a party and the guests were overwhelmed. They were so happy with it. It came out nice. When they have started turning brown in color, you remove the onions and then remove the puff puff balls and you have your spicy Nigerian puff puff. Very tasteful, very delicious, gorgeous. The look alone is something else. Our people say that the eyes eats and enjoys before the mouth. Just look at this. Just look at this. Can you see it? Can you see it? Gorgeous, beautiful, delicious. You will love it. Try it at home and tell me how it comes out. Yeah. The most important thing is that it is easy to make and you have your snacks for your party, for your everyday enjoyment. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your support so far, and please don't forget to leave a like, a comment, share the videos, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. I hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.